The wolf gift, you said, and I like this because I've had relationships like this, came from an email friendship.
Right, it did. Jeff Easton, really good
Who's a
email
producer,
buddy.
right?
He's a producer of the show White Collar on the USA Channel with Matt Bomer and Tim DeKay and other brilliant people. And he and I know each other through email because I'm a fan of White Collar. I've never seen Jeff, never met him, wouldn't know him if he walked in here. But we're really good email buddies. And he happened to see a werewolf special or documentary. And he just wrote me an email and said, if you ever write about this, I will certainly buy the book.